Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Diran Nismata. Here I'm from Group 4. I want to talk about digital tools for writing. And here I want to tell you all about writing. What are digital tools for writing? Here I was write it in my PowerPoint. Digital writing. These tools are software application, often tool-based, that enable users to create, format, store, and share text-based documents electronically. Key characteristics include cloud-based or accessible from any device with an internet connection. Next is real-time collaboration. Multiple people can work on the same document simultaneously. Next is automatic saving. Work is instantly saved, preventing data loss. And next is version history. Check all changes, allowing users to reference to previous states. And next is here I use about Google Documents for the digital tools for writing. Google Docs or Google Documents is a free web-based word processor offered by Google as part of it is Google Workspace suite. It is arguably the most popular tool for online collaborative writing. And next is core feature for writers. Google Documents is built on the principle of accessibility and teamwork. The most crucial feature is real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to edit the document simultaneously. Everyone sees the changes and cursors of others' life, making teamwork small regardless of geographical location. For reviewing and editing, the communicating and suggesting mode essential. Users can leave specific comment on part of the text to discuss ideas or use suggesting mode to prepare to propose edit. Suggestion appear as markup text in individual creating a structured feedback loop. And next is key feature or functions from Google Docs or Google Documents. Individual writer benefits greatly from integrated tools, automatic saving, and version history. Your work is instantly saved to Google Drive. The version history feature tracks every edit, allowing you to name specific drafts, such as e.g. client review P1 and refer the document to any previous stage, eliminating the fear of losing data. The next is accessibility and voice typing. Documents are accessible on any device through a web browser or mobile app, in our phone, in our laptop, or in our computer, allowing you to write anywhere. And next is Explore tool. This tool is an integrate Google search sidebar. Writers can research facts, find image, or look up information without having to leave the document, streamlining the research and citation process. Add-on. The functionality of the document can be expanded using third-party add-on for specialized tasks such as advanced grammar checking, pro-writing aid, or automatic citation management. And next, how to use Google Docs. The first step is access and create a new document. If you open in your phone, you must have the or open from Google or Chrome. You can open it and research the Google document. It's the entry free, but you need a Google account, Gmail, or you must do Gmail account to use it. First, you access documents, open your web browser and go to document Google.com. And second is sign in. If you are not logged in, sign in with your Google account. Next is start new. In the top left section under start a new document, click the blank option, let multicolor plus sign. If in the phone there is some new document or plus sign, you must to click it and you enter to new document. Name your file. Click on the words untitled document in the top left corner. Type your desired file name, like my name is Diran Nismata or Diran document or neither name. Your file is now created and saved automatically. And step 2, basic writing and editing. Google Docs work just like traditional word processor. Start typing, click on the document page and begin type your text. Like if you want to tell or you want to write about your history, you can write or type your history in Google Docs. Next is select the text. Double click a word to select it or triple click a paragraph. Click and drag and drag the cursor to select specific press. Yes. The third is basic tools or toolbar. Toolbar is used the toolbar located just below the file name to access quick formatting, like font, change font style. Like if we use always use the types of font is Times New Roman or Arial and another. And next is size. Size from font is crucial. If you want to make a letter, you must so important to look to attention your font and bold, italic, underline, another, and text color, highlight color. And next is redo. Use the curved arrows, undo or to next and redo that is near the top left to quickly revert or reply change. Okay, next is step 3, formatting and structure. And here, step 3, use formatting tools to organize your document professionally. First is you must know about heading. To create a table of contents and structure to use the style drop down, it usually says normal text. Like if you want to about title, you must do heading 1. If you subtitle it, you must do heading 2. Or you subtext, you must do heading 3, and etc. For your section title. Okay, next is list. Use the bullet, point, or number list icons to create structure list. If you want to write, you must do formatting the list, like list or Indonesian daftar isi. And next is alignment. Alignment is use the alignment icon to align text to the left, center, or right, or choose justify. And next is insert. Insert is use the insert menu to add, like add image, upload an image from your computer or Google Drive. Next is table. If you want to edit the table from your text is better scan create a grid based table. If that is the click is insert table, insert menu. And next is drawing. Drawing in simple shapes or diagram, like you have many cube, many circle, many types of shapes. And next is horizontal line. If you want to preposition your line or preposition your what's your right, if you can do horizontal line. Step 4 is collaboration and sharing. The current feature. This is where Google Docs excels. Click share, the large blue share button in the top right corner. Add people. This can add people. Type the email address, Gmail, or like us, we use the Google Docs or Excel document or PowerPoint. Another that is can be shared with another in one group. And like if you want to assemble or do one document, that is you can in one Google document. And third is set permission. If you want to look your another people access your Google document, you must to set your permission for each person. Choose their role from the drop-down menu. Like viewer, they can only read the comment, or he can comment. They can read and comment only. An editor, they can read, comment, and make changes to the document. For its comment suggest, or this is the comment. Select a word or press it. Then click at the comment icon, a speech double, and that appears on the right margin. And next is step 5 is present history save or safety net. You never need to click save. Google Docs saves automatically. Access history. Go to file, version history, see version history. Next is review change. A panel will open on the right, showing every version grouped by time and editor. Click add a version to see exactly what was changed. Next is restore. If you want to revert to an older version, select it and click the restore this version button at the top. Next is what is the benefits and possible challenge from this learning. Next is this benefit promotes true collaboration. Unlike offline tools, Google Documents forces students to negotiate meaning and write together in real time, building essential teamwork skills. Next is simplifies teacher feedback. Teacher can provide specific target feedback using the comment tagging and suggesting better directly on the student works, which is instant and paperless. Next is track accountability. The version history feature allows the teachers to see exactly who contributed what and when. solving the classic problem of unequal participation in group projects. Enhance accessibility, voice typing, and screen reader compatibility support students with diverse learning needs. Next is possible challenge. It requires reliable internet access. The core benefit of real-time collaboration is lost if students do not have stable internet access outside of school. Distraction, the ability to chat and see live edits, and sometimes lead to distraction or off-task behavior among your students. Next is formatting limitation. Google Docs, while functional, like some of the highly specialized layout and design features found in the dedicated desktop publishing software. Initial learning curve. Some students may initially struggle with the suggesting mode versus the editing mode. Next is, for example, classroom activity using the tool. Collaborative and annotation and peer review. English language, art, or history analysis short text. Goal to practice critical reading for feedback and documentation. Understand this, the teacher passes a source text and short article poem or history into a Google document. The teacher shares the document with a small group, 3 until 4 students, giving them commenter or editor access. As one annotation, students use the commenting feature to individually annotate the text, highlighting key idea, asking clarifying question, or identifying. Next is as 2. For review, students share their row essay, draft with 1 or 2 partners. They use suggesting model provide constructive criticism on grammar, clarity, and argument structure. The final is that involves the original author reviewing the suggestion, accepting or rejecting them, and using the comment to write a final draft. Next is and the conclusion is the digital tools for writing is many tools for using. There is exactly this one is Google Documents, like grammar, another apps you can what searching you can use for it. And this is I tell to you all about the example, the digital tools for writing in Google Document class in Google Document. That's all from me, and sorry for all mistake. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.